Bafo. Hamba kahle.
Right mfethu, ngala mfethu. Cha mfethu ungangizwa kahle, yazo mfethu. Yeah mfethu, ungaphatheka kabuhlungu mfethu, yazo.
Masina yakhuluma
Mfethu. Mfethu, kunento mfethu engangiphethe kahle, yazo. Sengikhathele ukondla wena nengane yakho. Wona kahle kahle mfethu, shoot ayimiseni mfethu, umsebenzi. Ayimiseni ukusebenza ngengane yakho. Sengikhathele phela.
Masineka bafo hayi uthi njalo yabo. Ngicabanga simubona nawe kule sonto edlule ukuthi nami bengivuka ngiyofaka ama-CV yabo. So ngilindela ama-calls and mengingalungi futhi this week na next week ngizohamba ngivuke ngiqhubeke ngifese kwamanye amakhampani. Njengamanje nje ngisabhizi ngibheka amakhampani aqashayo yabo. Hayi ukuthi angithanda ukusebenza nami ngiyathanda because ngiyindoda nami ngiyafuna ukusebenza.
Mfethu awuzame mfethu uthola umsebenzi mfethu ubheke yonke into njengamanje mfethu sengikhathele serious mina nami.
Hayi kulungile ngizozama. Number ngayazi.
Number ngayazi.
Hello? Yes, it's me. Oh, tomorrow. Oh, okay, no problem. Thank you.
Ukhuluma isingisi manje?
Masinyela.
Sure.
Kusasa ekuseni 8.
Yeah.
Ngine interview.
Map
kwenye inkampani la ngase Dalbridge.
Ha.
Yeah, ekuseni 8.
Bengidlala mnganami, bengikusabisa nje mnganami.
Hayi.
Mr. Ntombe. Sorry to keep you waiting, sir.
Thank you.
I'm Mr. Ngobo, your interviewer.
Oh, kwakuhle kanti umZulu. Hayi ngisho ukuthi le interview soyishaya kahle nje ngesiZulu.
Mr. Ntombela, this interview will be conducted in English.
No man. Sabezulu sonke mfethu. Why manje sokumele Stephens isingisi sabezulu. Ngobo Ntombela, sabezulu.
Actually, there's nothing I can do. I'm just following the procedures.
Hey. Okay. It's fine. Let's start.
Okay, Mr. Ntombela, tell me more about yourself.
I'm matching Ntombela, as you see. Myself. Just a magic.
Okay, so Mr. Ntombela, where did you hear about this vacancy?
Actually, Mr. Ngobo, I dream about this vacancy. No, I'm joking. I prophet it.
Okay, so Mr. Ntombela, why do you think this job is suitable for you?
I don't know anything, but as
But
you see,
what?
As you see, but
What?
I continue.
So, Mr. Ntombela, how much do you think we should pay you if we hire you?
As you are going to hire me. First of all, I will work 5 hours per day, and I will earn 750 per hour, which means per day I will earn 3,750. Per week, it will be 18,750. Per month, it will be 75,000. Then per year, it will be 900,000. That's what we are going to pay.
You must be drunk, ne? So tell me, have you worked before?
Yes.
Where?
Ndabete Primary School, Mongosa Primary School, Kamango High School, and also at Miyaga High School.
Wow, so many firms. You must have a lot of experience. So, what type of work were you doing?
I was doing my homework and also classwork, but I never get a chance to submit it.
Very impressive. So, how do you communicate with difficult employees?
I make them disappear.
How?
None of your business.
Okay, so what do you do during your spare time?
Usually, during my spare time, I kill all employers who call me for interview but did not hire me.
Mr. Ntombela, don't worry, you are hired. Tomorrow you may start. So give me your bank details and the cell phone number.
Write it down there.